for coming up today to show solidarity with Palestine and Palestinians. What Israel is doing to us is not new. It's just a reflection of what has been happening since 75 years. It's just the mirror reflection of the Nakba. So I'm not here to deliver any speech. I'm not here to talk about the history, the cause of the problem, the cause of the occupation. I'm here to deliver a few messages. I'm here to ask everyone with a conscience to go to the street, shout of the freedom of Palestine. I'm here to ask everyone with a conscience to break in the streets, to demand their governments to take a serious action against this occupation. I'm here to ask those leaders, those who call themselves the leaders of the nations, depriving innocent children from food, water, isn't a reason to wage a war against this colonial state. When we will take actions, when the armies will march towards Palestine, perhaps calling Israel to be referred to the International Criminal Court is not enough to end the occupation. We should take a serious action to end the occupation of Palestine, to end the brutal killing of Palestinians. I'm here to remind these leaders, once again, those who call themselves leaders, to remind them that Western governments are not ashamed to support Israel, despite the crimes that Israel has been committing against Palestinians for over 75 years. They are not ashamed. Why our leaders are ashamed to stand with Palestinians? Why we are not taking a serious action? I'm not here to deliver any speech. I'm here to deliver a message of the destruction, the message of the killing and the pain of Palestinians. We tell our enemies today, no axe is sharp enough to cut our souls. Destruction, pain, killing will not put us down. Destruction and killing will not change our direction to the freedom. We stand here with our legitimate right to free our land from the oppressors. I want everyone to shout, "Free, free Palestine." I'm here to deliver a message to the enemy. Victory is ours. Kill as much as you want. Destroy as much as you want. At the end, victory is ours. Free Palestine. Thank you so much.